alarm tone are normally conducted at this time every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If severe weather threatens the area during the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the first good weather day. This warning alarm tone will be activated for watches, warnings, and selected statements affecting specific counties based on the transmitter that you are listening to. For exact coverage areas, please check out our internet homepage. Rates via the warning alarm tone will vary at any given location, especially greater distances from the transmitter and also in large buildings. This concludes the weekly warning alarm test. We now return to our normally scheduled programming.
This is NOAA Weather Radio WXK4.